Welcome to this DataMaster training video. Today, I'll show you how to view, select, and disclose property data discrepancies using DataMaster. I'm going to break up this video into 3 parts. First, I'll show you how to view discrepancies by comparable property. Next, I'll show you how to view discrepancies for specific data fields. And finally, I'll show you where to view discrepancies before sending the file to your form software. Let's get started. In the DataMaster Sales Comparison Grid, you can easily see which properties have data discrepancies. Just look for the yellow symbol at the top. Click on the symbol to view a pop-up window with any data discrepancies related to that property. We only list the fields where the data differs to keep the interface clean. The green highlight indicates your chosen data source for that field. You can change data sources by clicking on your preference based on your knowledge of the market and the data sources. When you're finished, click Save to close the window, save the record with your changes, and update your digital work file. The symbol on the top changes to green to indicate that you've reviewed the data discrepancies, even if you didn't make any changes. To view data discrepancies for individual fields on the Sales Comparison Grid, simply right-click on the field you want to view and select Data Sources from the menu. Or you can click into that data field and press Ctrl-D to view discrepancies on specific fields. When you're ready to export the data into your report software, the data you selected is available on the Review and Send screen. You can copy the information and paste it into your form software. DataMaster already shows the data you selected. All you have to do is comment on why you selected the data you did. And that's how easy it is to view, select, and disclose property data discrepancies using DataMaster. Thanks for watching.